Hey guys, what's up? It's PJ here today, and welcome to the fourth 2D platformer series video. Um, so in the last video, we added our game state manager and implemented it into our game panel class. And in this video, we're going to be working on the first state of our game, the menu, of course. So to do this, let's start by creating a new class. We will call this menu state, and we're going to have it extend game state. So now what this is going to do is it's going to take in all the methods that we had. Actually, go back to the game state class and change this to public. We don't really need to make this protected. Just public should work fine. So we'll make this public too. So let's add all of our unimplemented methods. And let's get rid of all this junk. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to have an array of strings here called options. And this is just all the options that are going to be displayed on the screen. So the first one will be start or play. You could do whatever you want. The next one will be help. And the last one will be quit. So to get started, let's just, we don't really need this init method for anything in this. We'll use that more when we're actually doing like a play state, I guess. So let's just get started drawing. We'll go for int I equals 0, I is less than options dot length I plus plus, so we can loop through. And we're actually going to add a variable, a private integer. We'll call this current selection, and we'll set that equal to 0. So basically this will be like where what menu option we have selected. So if I equals current selection, we'll do g.setColor, color, if I can spell it right, dot green. Alright, and then else g.setColor, color.black. Now if you wanted to, you could just make these single line if statements, but I just prefer to use the brackets for more readability. Alright, and then in here we'll do g.drawString, and then we'll do options I game panel dot width divided by 2 minus, we'll just do 50, and then we'll resize it, and then we'll do 50 plus I times 30. Okay, let's try this out. Oh wait, we gotta add that. So go back to your game state manager class, and in here states dot push. So this is gonna push a state on top of the stack. New menu state this. So this, what we're passing in, is just the game state manager. Okay, so that's pretty small. Let's do this. g.setFont, new font, Arial font.plain 24. Okay, even more than that. Let's go 72. Not 272, 72. No, there we go. Okay, 72. Alright, that's a good size. And then let's just make this 100, and we'll do this as 100 as well. Okay, I'm gonna shift this over about 75 and spread these guys out 200 each. That's a little bit big. 150. Alright, that's here, what I'll do, g.drawLine, game panel dot width divided by 2, 0, game panel dot width divided by 2, and then game panel dot height. So just so we can see like where the center of the screen is. Oh, that's actually pretty centered. Let's just lower these guys down to like 150. Alrighty, and then let's just comment that out. Alright, and then one last thing. G.set color. Let's do like a nice background. New color. 100, 200, 50. Let's try that. Let's try to get a nice blue. Oh, I gotta fill it first. G.fill rect 0 0 game panel dot width game panel dot height. Right. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Let's go down to 10. Oh wait, 10. Red, green. Oh wow, that's why it's green. I did not do them in the right order. All right, let's add quite a bit of green. Try to even this out a little bit. There we go. That's looking better. Let's go 150. No, let's keep it at 200. Go to 70 on here. Really feel free to do whatever color you want. You can change the color scheme however you want to. It's really all your decision. But I'm just doing what I think will look good. And we'll actually change this to white instead of black, because the black is just not showing up well. Alright, so in the key pressed, we're gonna do if k equals key event dot vk down, if k equals key event dot vk underscore up. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do is current selection, if you're going down, it's going to add because it's going down the array, it's going farther forward in the array. And then we'll do if current selection is greater than or equal to options.length, then current selection equals 0. Now in up, we'll do current selection minus minus. If current selection is less than 0, then current selection is equal to options.length minus 1. I'm doing this like this instead of actual numerical values because in case we want to expand this further later on, we can do that if we want. So now, why is it not working? Okay, I think I know why. Alright, so go back to your game panel class, and in here we'll do add key listener. This, and set focusable to true. Alright, I didn't add the key listener or set it focusable, so that's why it wasn't working. Alright, let's try it now. Okay, cool. So you can see that it'll work both ways, and it'll go down, it'll go back up to the top if you want. So now, what we're going to do in here is if k equals key event dot vk enter, so if current selection equals 0, else if current selection equals 1, and then else if current selection equals 2. So play help, and then we'll just add the quit today. We won't add help or play until, probably not help until later videos, but play will be added next video because we're going to be starting to actually work on the game itself. So in here we'll just do system.exit 0. So now if we go in here and we press enter on the quit, it'll just quit out of our game. You can see here that it terminates. And yeah, that's basically it for our menu state and for this video. So thank you guys very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like. I will be adding more videos soon. Thank you very much.